I'm gonna show you how my Solomon cheesy steak wrap looks like. I'm gonna cut it, open it, see the cheesy. Now I'm gonna try this. Make sure it tastes good. Welcome back to my channel once again. I'm Chef Solomon. My menu today is gonna be Solomon cheesy steak wrap. I'm gonna sear my beef and I'm gonna add my veg. Oh, smoky, man. So this is my beef, thinly sliced. My beef is thinly sliced. I'm gonna sear it and then later add my veg. Add my garlic. I'll let it sear and then I'll add the rest of my vegetables. So my beef is seared. I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna saute my vegetables. Yeah. Now I'm gonna saute my peppers and onions.
Yeah, if you have not as yet subscribed to my channel, please you can support me by subscribing to my channel, share, like, share to your friends, and your friends will share to their friends. Thank you for supporting me. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you.
I'm gonna season with salt and pepper. So my pepper is ready. I'm gonna add my steak and just stir. I'm just gonna stir. So everything is done here. I'm gonna build my wrap. Alright, good. So now everything is done. I'm gonna build my wrap. Okay, now I'm gonna build my Solomon cheesy steak wrap. Come on, wrap. I'm gonna spread it all over. So I'm gonna lay everything in. Everything is laid here. So right now I'm gonna put my Solomon cheesy steak wrap. Lettuce. Now I'm gonna cook my steak. Yeah. Just gonna put cheese. Finish. Then grill. Laptop. Give it a nice, beautiful color. Chipotle Mayonnaise. And lastly, this is a hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Give it some spice. Make sure it's delicious.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Okay. I'm gonna put on my glove, that glove. Start the glove.
Oh, that smells amazing.
Beautiful. Somebody says it smells amazing. I didn't say that. It smells really amazing too. It's true. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how my Solomon cheesy steak wrap looks like. I'm gonna cut it, open it, see the cheesy. So now I'm gonna try. Now I'm gonna try. Yes. Make sure it tastes good. Oh man. Very good. So cheesy. The steak is seasoned perfectly. I'm gonna try again. So good. So good. What can I say? So cheesy. You can see the cheese. Look. So cheesy. Woo! Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Solomon. Please If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, like, share, and follow. Till next time, say goodbye.